pasta. Mwah. And where's my Mother's Day gift? Thank you.
Happy Mother's Day to the craziest mother in the world.
Happy Mother's Day.
I love Mother's Day.
So sweet. All of Mother's Day. Actually, every day is a Mother's Day for us. So happy Mother's Day to all the mothers around the world. Okay, baby. Okay, calm down. I'm making pasta for you. Actually, my special recipe of pasta is every kid's favorite. So mothers have requested me to make a video on the pasta what I make because their kids don't eat their pasta what they make for them. So here it is for all the mothers. Let's start. Okay, let me just show you the ingredients I use in the pasta which I make. I make mixed pasta, red and white sauce together. And the white sauce I don't use all-purpose flour, which is maida, because it's not good and I don't like it. So let me just show you the ingredients. You can add more veggies and all. This is sliced onion. I have taken capsicum, red capsicum. You can use yellow and all whatever, and other vegetables also. And the pen pasta. I like this pasta more than any other. Then we have pasta seasoning, tomato puree, cheese, butter, cream and mayonnaise. And so these are the things which is the basic ingredients of my pasta. So let's start. I guess the pan is ready. I will use the olive oil. Olive oil really gives the different flavor in the pasta. So better to use olive oil other than any sunflower oil or cooking oil. So I guess this is enough. It's already hot, so we'll start directly. I will saute the vegetables. So I guess veggies are ready. It's cooked properly. I think we should not cook more than that. I will add now the tomato puree in this. Little salt. I will add. This is half kg of pasta. So I am using 200 grams of butter in this. So this is just to mention the quantity. And 200 grams cheese. So I'll put everything together so that it mix well with tomato puree. So this I'm trying to prepare the gravy which makes the pasta really yum. I know it doesn't look, the calories will be much, but it's okay, once in a while, right? Once in a while we can cheat.
Yes.
Okay, so now I will add, so these two things I have added, butter and cheese. So let me add the cream part of it. Okay, let me cut it. Okay, let me add the cream in this. It depends on the quantity, how much you want, if you want more creamy and less creamy or whatever it is. So I'm not mentioning the quantity for the cream, but I like to add the equal portion of cream, butter and cheese. But mayonnaise I don't use much because mayonnaise doesn't increase the taste actually. I don't like the taste of mayonnaise that much. So I use very less, not equal quantity, maybe half of the quantity what I have added for should be enough. We can taste and we can add later. Okay, so let it actually cook properly. Add more salt. So I don't add chili in this. I don't make it spicy because kids, every kid can't eat that. So this is specifically for kids only I make. So only if you want, you can add chilies, red chili or green chili. So let it cook for some time. Then we will add the pasta in this. Okay. I guess it is the cream is ready. The mixture is ready, so we can add the pasta in this, and we need to keep it for some time on same so that it mixes well with the pasta. Looks really nice. What do you say, my cameraman? How was it?
I'm already feeling hungry.
You always feel hungry. So this is your Mother's Day special from your crazy mother, you call me? Okay. Let me just taste the salt. How is it? And then we will leave it to cook for some time. Look at her. She wants to taste this. It's hot. It's hot, baby. Wait. How's it?
Yummy.
Yummy? Okay, so we will just leave it for some time because I cook pasta like for another 10 minutes on very same flame, so that the cream and the butter, everything mix well. And let's meet after once the pasta is ready and capture my kids expression on that. That's best thing. So pasta is ready now. It looks very nice and tempting. I can't stop. Look at Toshi. Since long her mouth is just like this only. So let me just serve it. Just see the pasta. It's quite nice and creamy. Okay, let me serve you guys. How is it, Toshi?
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day. And how's the pasta?
Yummy.
Huh?
Yummy.
Yummy. You like it? It's hot, Toshu. You're not feeling hot?
Tender.
Okay. And what about you, my young man? You like it? Okay. Happy Mother's Day. Once again to all the mothers. Thank you. Thank you. I'll come back with a new recipe very soon. Till then, be happy, stay safe. Bye-bye.